Hi everyone, this is Gabe Gurman from Career.Place, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new job in Career.Place and show off our new and amazing user experience. To begin, click the Create New Job button in the top menu bar. Now we're looking for a customer service representative, so all I have to do is start typing in the title, and the system will return back to me all the best matches. I'll see the first choice over here is customer service representative. I'll click it, and the pop-up will give me details about this occupation. I'll review this information, and once I'm ready to continue, I'll click Start Job Post. And now we're going to be presented with the screen showing all the basic information about the job, and you'll see a lot of this information is defaulted for you. This is the type of stuff that will show up in the job ad itself, things like the title and the benefits, job summary, company culture, responsibilities. Go ahead and modify whatever you need to modify, and then when you're done, you can continue. Now, what remains is to configure how we're going to anonymously evaluate the candidates for this job in the Career.Place hiring funnel. You can go to the different sections in the left-hand navigation panel over here, or let the system guide you by clicking the next button. We're now in the Qualifications section. This is where we want to be sure that the candidates who apply to this job meet the basic needs and requirements of the hiring organization for this position. For example, job requirements. You'll see we already have 2 job requirements defaulted in here. In fact, we use these job requirements for every job that we advertise. I have nothing else to add over here, so I'm going to click Cancel. Education and certifications. Now for this job, I do want to make sure that the candidates who apply have a minimum of a high school diploma. So I'll add that over here in that section. Location is already set to our location. No need to change that. No travel is required for this job. There are no special language requirements for this job. Now compensation, I do want to enable this one. And what I do over here is I want to be sure that we don't qualify candidates that have unrealistic salary expectations. So I'll make sure that the maximum salary we're willing to pay for this position is in place over here. And what we do with this question is we ask the candidate, what is the minimum compensation you're expecting for this position? We don't ask them what they made in the past. And again, we just want to make sure that we're not going to be qualifying candidates that have unrealistic expectations in terms of salary. I'll click Save over here. There are no hard skills required over here. And had I had hard skills required, I would use this knowledge quiz section over here, where I can actually quiz the candidates on their knowledge of those particular hard skills. So at this point, I'm all set with qualifications. I'm going to click Next to continue. Now I have the assessment section. This is for soft skills. I do want to enable this for this candidate evaluation, so I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to enable assessments. I see that the system already has selected for me the critical soft skills for this occupation. What we do over here is make sure that the candidates have a minimum foundation of these critical soft skills in order to be qualified for this position. In fact, Career.Place has built in the defaults for over 1,100 occupations in terms of critical soft skills. I'm going to leave this section as is with the defaults selected and click Save. And at this point, assessments are configured. Next is the homework section. Now, right before creating this video, I met with my hiring team, and they gave me a great question we can ask candidates as part of this evaluation process. I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to add question and go to the question area and type in that question that they came up with. Now, this question is all around asking the candidate how they would deal with an angry customer on the phone. Great question. I'll click Save and Close, and I'm done configuring homework. Next is the video interview section. This is the section where we would ask candidates questions around culture and fit, and the candidates would record themselves on video with their responses, usually short 30 to 60-second video responses for each question. I don't need it for this job, so I'm not going to configure it. So candidates won't see any video interview questions pop up as part of their evaluation process. So I'm done configuring this job. All that remains is click Post Job. It's that easy. So do you have your Career.Place account yet? If you don't, go create one today. Go to www.career.place. Look for the Login Register button on the top right. It'll take you less than a minute. And then you can start hiring without bias. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome rest of the day.